my name is Jessica Hudson, and it's such a joy to welcome you all night. This is our third year organizing this beautiful prom, and every year I am reminded of why this night matters so much. As we gather here during Autism Awareness Month, this celebration feels even more meaningful. I'm a proud mom of two handsome sons, one of whom is a wonderful 21-year-old on the spectrum. He has shaped me, humbled me, and taught me more about love and strength than I ever imagined. Because of him, this mission is deeply personal, celebrating individuals with diverse abilities and giving them a night where they can truly shine. You may already know this, but I'm the one who sent out the receipts, created the registration form, created our video, designed our flyers, and kept our registrations organized to make sure we had enough funds to bring this night to life. It's a lot of work, but it's work I genuinely love because it's for all of you. Tonight is about joy, confidence, and unforgettable memories. So please, dance, laugh, take pictures, make new friends, and enjoy every moment. This night is yours. Have an amazing time, everyone. Let's make this prom a night to remember. Thank you.